Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Sir, again, we are thankful to the Japanese government for this package of 5.5 million. And the initial discussion started way back in 2017 as well, Mr. Speaker, sir, under the Japan's grant aid for the economic and social development program under Japan's international cooperation system. Mr. Speaker, sir, this assistance will come into batches, if I would say. I have already received the first part of it, and the remaining component probably will be arriving into the country around the June-July period. What we have received so far, Mr. Speaker, sir, include 11 rigid inflated boats. We have 22 rescue boats, and underwater camera unit, underwater communication system, and diving and training equipment. This will definitely assist the police force in so many ways, particularly in dealing with crimes here in Fiji, particularly in our investigations of various crimes, particularly in the maritime and the rural zones, drug raids, including attendance to some of the court cases, and conducting community outreach programs to raise awareness on preventative measures of curbing crime. Additionally, Mr. Speaker, sir, the equipment will also assist us in terms of our role in assisting other ministries, say for example, Ministry of Fisheries on illegal fishing in the rural areas, which is a concern particularly to resource owners. This will assist us in that regard too. Furthermore, Mr. Speaker, sir, the equipment will also assist us, particularly our first line responders when it comes to disasters, particularly with the rescue boats that I've mentioned, apart from the 11 of the rigid inflated boats. Lastly, Mr. Speaker, sir, I've mentioned about underwater communication systems, cameras, and so forth. These equipments will strengthen our police maritime and marine capabilities during drug operations through intercepting unlicensed boats and yachts in Fiji's waters, monitoring transponders on the ocean floor, pursuing suspects on water, filming illegal activities above and underwater, and for routine maritime patrols. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you.